Today is Thursday, April 24. Wow, ang bilis ng panahon. Already April and next week will be May. So, how are you guys? Me, I'm a little bit better than before. So now better. I'm craving to eat beef steak. I have not eaten steak since maybe September. So we're gonna wash first. So we wash the meat. Some people don't wash it. They just marinate it. They said it's clean, but me, I wash it. I like to wash it. Every meat, every chicken, pork I bought from the market, I wash it. And then we pat it dry. Yes, pat it dry. So that when you bake or fry it or cook it, it is not watery. So this is a big steak. Some people, when Bob was here, he liked this to be cooked one piece because he don't like to be overcooked. He likes it rare or medium rare, but me, I like it cooked. I like it well done. So I will slice this into pieces. Because I don't like to eat many, I eat only a small piece of it. So we cut it 1, 2, 3 in 5. Yeah. Wow, purol naman. So, ayan. We cut it into pieces because I like to cook it well done. And then the others, I keep back to the freezer. So, when I crave again for meat, I have some. Very fatty. Alisin ko yung, I remove some of the fats because it's unhealthy. We remove the fats. I miss Bob. He likes steak very much. And when he is here, he don't like to take out those fats. He like it to cook it with so many fats. But me, no. Let's remove the very fatty one. This one. This one, no, I don't like very fatty. Ayan guys, so very fatty. I don't like that. Let's remove it. So I will cook this in the air fryer. Ayan, taba. Many fats. Look at that, oh. That is cholesterol. It's bad. So, let's take it out. So, magiging ano na siya, small pieces steak. Ayan, fats. Fats. The Filipino style steak, the beef steak, Filipino style. I like that too. Maybe I can do it here. I put lemon and soy sauce and lots of, how do you call that? Lots of onions. So, ayan. So, let's marinate it. Put spices. We put salt and garlic powder. So, ayan guys, habang nahugasan na natin yung beef, lagyan na natin siya ng marinade. Etong marinade na pang beef steak, ito, Montreal steak, yan yung ginagamit na ano. Ang tawag dito, pepper, Montreal. Pang beef ito, pang beef. Ay, batayaw. Ayan. Ayan, pepper ito na pang beef, yung malalaki siya. So, lagyan natin. Masarap to eh. And then, lagyan natin ng salt. Ayan. And then, garlic powder. Mahilig ako sa garlic powder. Ayan. Ayan. So, balik na rin natin. Garlic powder. Salt. And pepper. So, mamarinate natin yan. Anong oras na ba? 2 o'clock na. I-marinate natin. Tama-tama mamaya mga 6 o'clock. Ipa-fry natin sa air fryer. Lagay natin dito. Ay, ang sarap. Kaya lang bawal sa akin to. Maliit lang naman ang kakainin natin. Para hindi sumakit yung ating arthritis. So, ayan. Imi-mix-mix natin. Ayan. So, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Luluto ko ito mamaya. So, ayan. Ready na. Mamarinate. Lagay natin sa rep. So, mamaya, for dinner, I have beef steak and may soup pa ako doon. Meron akong sopas. So, ayan guys. Thank you for watching. Sana masarap ito. Pero sure masarap ito kasi may garlic powder. Thank you guys. See you on my next vlog. Ayan. Marinate for 3 to 4 hours. And then air fry. Thank you. So, ayan guys. Niluluto na natin yung beef steak sa air fryer. Let's see. Ayan siya. Kailangan natin, baliktarin natin. So, ayan. Baliktarin. Siguro to, medium well done. Ang gagawin ko. Medium well done. Ayan. Let's see. Ayan. 400 degrees for 6 minutes. Ayan. So guys, ito ayan. Guys, ito na yung steak, luto na. Ayan. So, take natin ang picture.